It's Friday! Putting some paint on the Cadillac this morning. All this rust out area that we found after I painted the car. So this rear deck panel underneath here, all done. I put some color on it. I put color on the rear window frame after I did rust repair on it. And I did the A pillars, the B pillars, the rockers are all done. And I also did color on my replacement section of the roof and the frame for the windshield. And it's really handy because this is out in the shop stall here, because it took so long to work on this. But I can turn on the exhaust of the paint booth and I can suck it right out through there. So it's no different than being in the paint booth. So I'm done, you say? Oh, hell no. This is Cadillac. I still got all these parts to paint.